Local news for Thursday the 28th of February. A return to pea production is finally on the horizon for Wairarapa growers, with confirmation that no weevils were detected from the 25 trap crops planted in the 2018-19 season. Federated Farmers Arable Chairperson Karen Williams says this is great news for growers who took a big financial hit to eradicate the pest from New Zealand. This year's Move in March is building early momentum, with 104 schools already registered across the Wellington region, almost half the total primary schools. Run by Greater Wellington Regional Council in partnership with local communities and local councils, the event focuses on encouraging walking, cycling and scooting to school, as well as providing a fun way to get to and from school. Walking and wheeling students improve independence, physical well-being and mental health, decision-making, risk assessment and road safety skills. The Tika Uru Flood Management Group are hosting a drop-in session in Masterton tonight, the Masterton Club, from 4 till 7 p.m. The session is providing a chance to ask questions and provide feedback on the flood management process. And finally, best of luck to the Wairarapa men's Evergreen softball team, who are off to defend their national title at the national tournament in Hawke's Bay.